Hello everyone, welcome to this Forex Tester webinar. So let's get started. For those who are new to my channel, my name is K, like a little K. My name is K and I am a Forex Japanese trader full-time based in here Tokyo, Japan. So this time I got the offer from the Forex Tester team to explain how I do the backtesting by Forex Tester 4 and how I operate this great tool. So I got the offer from the Forex Tester 4 team, and I'm actually here to show you how I run the tester every time I backtest. Usually on the weekends or when the market is closed, I run the tester, or when the market is quiet, I run the tester so that I can backtest my own strategy, and also I can build up my confidence on my trades. I refine my trades every year, and Forex Tester 4 has been a great tool for the last 7 years, and that's why this is such an honor for me to have this opportunity to share how I backtest by Forex Tester 4. So let's get started right now. Alright, I got a couple of traders here today. Thank you for joining, everyone. Alright, Maru, Mikidomo, Dung, Santosh, Anna, Golam, Pakwan. Thank you for joining. Saba, Pablo, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you as always. So in my channel, I do the live streams every day, and also the videos uploads every day. And I actually did my live stream about 3 hours ago, and this is my second live stream for today. So let's get started. So Forex Tester webinar by a full-time Japanese Forex trader. I have been using Forex Tester Forex Tester itself for the last 7 years, and it's been a great tool. Without Forex Tester, I wouldn't be able to generate these profits every month. So I really think for this great tool that it's actually out there. So just a quick disclaimer, this information is basically for the information purposes only. So when you take trades, please do with your own risk. Alright, so here is the topics for today. I will do step by step. So first, I will talk about who can benefit for this Forex Tester 4 based on my experience. And then secondly, I will talk about 2 simple steps to start backtesting. It's very easy, very simple to operate. So I will show you 2 simple steps to start backtesting by this Forex Tester 4. And then third, I will mention 7 powerful features. These are actually my favorite features that I think they are very powerful. So I will introduce these 7 powerful features, and then finally I will share the promotion code for those who have been watching my live streams. So let's talk about the first topic, who can benefit from Forex Tester 4. And these are actually 3 points that I think who can benefit. So first, find a winning strategy. Of course, this is important, to find a winning strategy. But unfortunately, we have only 24 hours in a day, so we cannot, check charts every day. We cannot check charts 24 hours because we get jobs, we get personal, things to do. We get, friends and family that hang around. So, the time is limited actually. So we have to be efficient. Well, actually, I said this one here on the third point. We have to be efficient to test our own strategy. So first, you can find a winning strategy in a very condensed time by running Forex Tester 4, by backtesting it so that you can build up your strategy with confidence. And then secondly, check your own trade skills while market is closed. So this is another part that I like about Forex Tester 4, is that you can run it anytime. When you have free time, you can run it. When you have some vacation, you can still run it too. and even the weekends, holidays, you can run it too. Basically, you can run the Forex Tester for anytime you want, and I think this is a great feature. When I started the trades full-time, when I became full-time back in 7 years ago, I still had things to do, and that's why I decided to purchase the Forex Tester, and I was backtesting it because after I became a full-time trader, I don't find opportunities every day, and that's a reality because I'm a swing trader, day-to swing trader. So sometimes there are days there's no trends, and there are days there's no opportunity. So instead of just sitting in front of the panels, in front of the screens and watching quiet markets, I launched the Forex Tester 4 and run it so that I can backtest, and as I see more opportunities in the market, then I will focus on the markets. But when the market's quiet, or when it's holiday, then I just run the Forex Tester 4 and backtest my own skills. So that's the great feature. And also finally, backtest effectively. So this is like I said before, but it can be efficient because our time is limited, only 24 hours, but it doesn't mean that we can keep watching the market 24 hours. Sometimes market is quiet. Sometimes you want to be active to the market, and that's why by running Forex Tester 4 in the past charts, fast forward it so that you can save time to backtest your own strategy to build up confidence in your trades. So these are the benefits that I think that you can get from the Forex Tester 4 based on my experience. So next, the second topic is going to be 2 simple steps to start backtesting. So Forex Tester actually has many features. You can go deeper and deeper, but basically if you want to backtest, the steps are so simple. So you can basically follow only 2 steps, and let me show you how. So first, you download the data from the data center, and step 2, create a new project. So let me launch the Forex Tester 4. So here is the screen. Oh, actually I'm using the Mac, and the Forex Tester 4 is not available for the Mac, so I have the Windows through the Parallels, and I run the Forex Tester 4 through this software. So here's Forex Tester 4. I double click it and it's gonna launch. While running it, I have lots of more traders. Thank you for joining, everyone. Alright, so let's see. So here is the screen. This is the initial screen that you will be seeing. So let me enlarge this like this. Okay, and so first step that you have to take is download the data from the data center, because as soon as you open the Forex Tester, there is no data. So hold on, let me see. There you go. So here you have the data center here, so this is where you can download the data of the past charts. You can either click on this one, or you can go to File, and you can go to Data Center here. Click on this one, and there's a list of pairs on this under Symbols tab here. So there are major pairs and minor pairs also, even cryptos there are. And also they've got some exotics and features, indexes, metals, stocks Canada, Euro, and other stocks in all these, stocks in UK. Actually, you can backtest on any markets basically. If you have a VIP service like me, you can click on the ad, this one, and you can find more selections here actually. Not only these major pairs, but also you got commodities. All these commodities are available for backtesting, and also cryptos are also available. The Bitcoin, Ethereum, and LTC is available. Exotics too, features, indexes of course are available too. So But if you are under the free version or the standard version, then I think you can only backtest the Forex pairs with a limited number of Forex pairs. But let's assume that you just launched it and you want to backtest, for example, AUD/USD, for example. So initially, when you choose this one, when you highlight this one by clicking it, you might see no data here. So let me clear the history for now so that it looks new. So I just cleared the data here and it says no data. So when you initially launch the Forex Tester 4 and try to backtest and come to this data center, I think it looks like this without any data. And if you don't have any data, then you cannot backtest. So you have to download the data first. That's the first step, like I mentioned here. You have to, sorry. Not yet. Not yet for the promotional code. So yeah, download data from the data center, right? So that's the first step. So once again, come to the AUD/USD, check on this one, and update from the server. Simply click on this one, and choose a download part of the history. And let's say you would like to backtest between 2015 January 1st up to yesterday, November 19th. Well, actually, in this one too, I have November 19th yesterday's data because I'm under VIP subscription. But if you're not the VIP, then the data that you can get is the latest one is the previous month end. So that will be the 30th of October. So anyways, you get the data from 2015 January up to the most recent data, and check on this, ignore the weekends, and then update. Then the download will start like this. We want the promo. Yep. Yep. Everybody wants promo, right? Who doesn't want promo? So actually it's already under the description below, but let me show it to you on the slide later after I finish the webinar today. Alright, thank you for joining everyone. Good to see you. Alright, June, Santosh, Anna, Golam, Pak1. Alright, Pandavon, Kayon, Thanapol, WM, Bobor, David, Aditya, Melanie, thank you for joining as well. Good to see you. So, still downloading. I chose 2015 because if you want to backtest all the way back in like 2001, first of all, it's going to take a lot of time to download from the server to your PC. And then secondly, data is going to be too huge that your PC might, burst. So if you want to backtest, I recommend you to take maybe 5 years or 4 years will be enough. So here is, I have 2015 January 1st up to yesterday's data here. And then this downloaded section is over. Once you download, then simply exit this screen over here. And then you create a new project for the second step. After you download, then create the new project as a second step. So let me show you here. So you go to project and then new project, click on this one, and you can just put any name. So let's see, Forex Tester webinar. Forex Tester webinar as a project name, and then you just choose how much deposit you want on that Forex Tester 4 account, and then click on next, and you choose the pair that you downloaded the data. So that was AUD/USD, and you have 2015 January 1st up to the latest data here. And then you can either oh, actually I'm under VIP, so I have both ones, but most likely you have this use 1 minute data for subscribers. So in here you have advanced settings even, so you can generate the text based on OHLC points, or you can generate text randomly based on the volume. So usually I pick the first one, generate ticks based on OHLC points will be okay. And just click on the apply and then click on the next. And then here is a cool thing about the Forex Tester 4 is that you can customize the time zone. So I am in Tokyo, so I usually choose Tokyo close. So it's actually GMT -8 is the Tokyo time. So I choose this one without any daylight saving time. If you're in the US, then you can choose a New York close. If you're in London, then you can choose a London close here. So you can, or you can even customize depending on where you are, or depending on which time frame, which time zone you want to backtest. You can choose, you can customize it. So let me just choose the GMT +0 for now as a demonstration, and then you get this start testing from the first date in the range, which is going to be the 2015 January 1st, and here it says start testing after creation, and I recommend you to click off this section, because if you enable this one, then as soon as you click on this create, then the Forex Tester 4 will run just by itself. So but before that, you want to add some indicators, you want to add some multiple time frames, which I will show it to you later. So usually I disable this one and create, and creating project, and here it is. So at this moment there's no backtesting, there's no history here, so you have to start the testing. So click on this start test, and then you have these volumes in the market. So here's the time frame on the upper left time frame. So right now I'm choosing M1 1 minute time frame because it says here 1 minute. So if you want to go to different time frames, you simply scroll, like for example 1 hour. If you want to choose, then you can have the 1 hour time frame on this screen. So this is for the time frame, and if you move to the right, there is a play button here. If you press this one, then it will run. If you click on this one again, then it's gonna stop. Or you can simply press this space key. Then you can move candle by candle, or you can press backspace, and then you can go backwards candle by candle. So it's either however you want. And here is, it says every tick, and this means that when you automatically run the tester like this movement is actually every tick. So this is more towards the real market, because when you see the real market, the market moves by the ticks. So, but if you want to fast forward it, then you either choose the interval on the bigger time frame, like for example 1 hour, you choose, then every tick becomes 1 hour. So that means every tick becomes 1 hour and it goes more faster. And if you want to go even more faster, then you can choose even higher time frame, like a 1 day, and then when you click the start, then it moves 1 day tick like this on this 1 hour time frame. I hope that makes sense. So this is one way to fast forward. And the second example is you choose 1 hour, the same time frame, and you shift this level to the right. This is testing speed. You can fast forward it to the maximum, for example, and when you click the start, then it's gonna fast forward all the way like this. So you can adjust the speed, and also you can adjust the ticks of this depending on the time frames, which is quite unique for this Forex Tester 4. But here, now you have it all set. Basically, you can backtest now. So once again, download the data from the data center, the data that you want to backtest on the pairs, and then create a new project. Then you can run the tester basically. So the next topic that I would like to talk about is the 7 powerful features here. There are many features to this Forex Tester 4, but I just picked up these 7 powerful features that I think they are most important. So here are 7 features, and I would like to mention one by one today. So first, backward and forward the candlesticks. So like I mentioned, you can fast forward by clicking the start button. You can fast forward it, or you can backward by clicking the backspace key. You can go backwards like this. If you keep pressing it, then you can just go backwards smoothly like this way too. Or you can click on these icons. If you click on this one, the arrow to the left, then you can go backwards depending on this tick. So if you choose like a daily, and if you click on this one, just one, then it actually backwards too. And then you can, if you want to fast forward, then you can click on this one, the arrow to the right, then you can move it to the future. So yeah, this is the very powerful backtest and forward the candlesticks, so that you can like you can fast forward and be efficient for these back testings. So that's one. And the second one I like about the Forex Tester 4 is the multiple time frames. So in order to have multiple time frames, you have to have multiple data from the data center. So right now on this particular project, we only have AUD/USD because we only picked this one. But let me show you how you can well, actually, for multiple time frames, simply you can use this currency. And so here is 1 hour chart, and if you want to add one more time frame, then you can simply go to File, Add New Chart, and choose the same Forex pair. And this is 1 minute. And you can change the time frame to, for example, like a 5-minute chart. And if you want to lay out horizontally, then go to Window, Tile Horizontally. Then you have these 2 time frames, and they are synchronized. So you can move together. So once again, above here is 5-minute chart, below here is 1 hour chart. So if I click on this one, let me move by for example 15-minute chart, and then let me start. So above here is 5-minute chart, so it goes faster, but below here is 1 hour, so it goes slower. But actually they move exactly on the same day, same time, like this way. So you can add more and more time frames. Like you can add like 4 or 5 time frames if you would like to. Like you keep adding, like you can have this like a daily chart, for example, daily chart, and you can lay out once again Windows, Tile Horizontally. Then you have daily chart up here, 1 hour chart, and at the bottom there's 5-minute chart. So if you click on the start, then 5-minute chart goes faster, 1 hour next, and then the daily chart above here. So this is very smooth, which I like also about this Forex Tester 4. So yeah, you can run multiple time frames easily without synchronizing on these different windows. So that's the first, the second powerful feature here. And the third, multiple currencies. So in this project, we only have AUD/USD. So let me create a new project. And then this is like, let's say multiple currencies, for example, and then click on next, and you choose multiple currencies. So let's pick Euro pairs this time. So first I will pick the Euro GBP, and then Euro JPY and Euro USD. Let's pick 3 currencies between the again 2015 January 1st up to the latest date here, and click on the next. So I have 3 currencies chosen here. Click on the next, and basically I just use the default, disable the start testing after creation, then create. So here's a new project just launched, and you can move the different currencies real time, at the same time. So let me choose 1 hour chart each. So this one is Euro GBP, and I pick 1 hour, and this one Euro JPY, I pick 1 hour also, and then below here Euro USD, I pick 1 hour chart too. And let me lay out horizontally. So Euro USD up here, Euro JPY down here, and all the way down there is Euro GBP. All these are actually 1 hour chart. So let me start the testing, and then the market moves like this. Hold on, let me choose 1 hour and maximize the speed and restart. Then you can have these. Well, actually, sorry, on this Euro JPY I didn't download the data for the 2015, so this is not available. So let me disable this one. But you can find that these 2 currencies are actually moving exactly on the same day in the back. So you can backtest with 2 different or multiple different currencies this way. So for example, if you want to backtest like Euro pairs on a certain day, certain like a year, you can choose Euro pairs in 2015, for example, and you can just run the tester so that you can move the multiple currencies at the same time too, which is quite unique feature for this Forex Tester 4 that I think very powerful. So next one that I would like to introduce is lines synchronized among time frames. So let's say you have Euro USD. Let me delete this Euro GBP for now, and you have multiple time frames. So let me add 1 more Euro USD, and here I will choose the daily chart. Well, actually this feature is from the Forex Tester 4. This wasn't available for the Forex Tester 3, but let me lay out again horizontally. So up here the daily chart, down here is 1 hour chart. So let's say you find the support, for example, here on the low. So you simply choose this horizontal line and put this one here. And as you can see, it reflects on different time frames. Here in the daily chart, there's a line too. So you can synchronize the lines among different time frames. So if you, for example, draw the trend line, like for example like this way, then it's gonna reflect on this daily chart as well. So that you can backtest with the multiple time frames with lines synchronized like this. And what's more, if you change the color of this line, for example horizontal, let's say this is blue, but if you change it to the red, then the 1 hour chart line becomes red too. So the colors even synchronize, which is quite unique. So that you can use different colors in a different time frames, but still these lines are actually still same colors in different time frames. So that was the first powerful feature. And the next one that I would like to mention is the notes. This is another my favorite feature for Forex Tester 4. And so let's say in a daily chart, let's say you study the candlestick pattern. In a candlestick patterns, let's say you want to mention about the engulfing or inside bar, outside bars, which is a potential reversal patterns. So for example, let me run the tester. Let me just go one by one. Oh, by the way, if you choose this one 1 hour and run it like this, then it actually moves according to 1 hour. If you choose this one daily chart and move forward, then the chart moves based on the daily chart. So this time I would like to run by the 1 hour chart. So I will choose 1 hour, enable this one, and forward, and I would look for where the engulfings are, or inside bars, outside bars are, for the potential reversals. So let's see. Oh, okay, I find one of the indication for this reversal. So here we have a hold on, let me delete this blue one. And here we have a inside bar. This blue bearish candlestick has been engulfing the future previous candles, and it broke upwards here. So there might be some potential uptrend from here. It might go up like this way. Oh, this is my own drawing tool. This is not available for Forex Tester 4. But yeah, the market might go up from here. So, but you don't want to forget this one. In that case, you go to this note, this a little N letter here, and you choose, for example, this candlestick, or this right here is a breakout. This candlestick is engulfing inside but breakout, so you can mention inside breakout, and apply. And then you can right click on this one, and you show notes here, show notes, and then this note will appear here. When you hover over to this one, it says inside breakout. So that as you backtest, you can put notes like this way too. So, and as you keep watching this way, it might go up, it might go down. So it's kind of consolidating, a little bit moving up this way too. But as you saw wick pointing downwards on the daily chart, in this wick pointing downwards, you find this engulfing inside bar breakout. So that in the lower time frame, 1 hour chart, you can expect that the market might go up this way. And then the daily chart might go up, retrace backwards at some point. So this is for you to remember, right? Just for a note, quick notes, you can add these too on this Forex Tester 4. And if you want to, so let's see. So the next one is going to be the risk management that I like about. So the risk management, another thing that I like about the Forex Tester 4 is that you can actually put positions and put the stop loss and put the take profit. And also you can manage the lot sizing according to the risks you want to take. So let's say you find an engulfing bar. So let me go backwards a little bit. Once again, here at the breakout of the engulfing here, you want to buy. Let's say. So you can actually place the buy position here simply by clicking this orders and new market order. And there is a market order panel appears like this. This is Euro USD. Make sure that this is a currency that we're watching. And the lot sizing here, you can actually put your own lot sizing manually, like 0.01 or 0.1. You can put it manually too. But at the same time, you can click on this one, calculate with risk percent. And for example, if you would like to take 2% for this particular buy position, then you can simply put 200 and it becomes 2%. And then depending on how much stop loss you want to take for this 2%, it actually automatically calculates depending on the equity on this Forex Tester 4. And actually, if you click on this one, the help, there's a description here too, so you can refer to it. But let's say in this case, you want to put the stop loss a little bit below, like 100 points below. So in this case, you have two lot sizing. it's automatically calculated. If you want to have like 50 points, for example, then I think it should calculate automatically. Oh, this is buy. So this is a buy. Sorry, it was not a sell, it's a buy. And you put the stop loss once again like this way. And with a 50 point of stop loss, you have 4 lot sizing. So you can choose however the points you have, and actually that enables the calculation with the risk percent automatically. And you place a buy, and you basically run the tester this way too. So you can easily manage the risk management this way, which is the feature that I like about. So let me run the tester for now. We know that this is going up. Oops, it went downwards, sorry, first, initially. So let me place the position one more time. So over here, let me place another position. This was a loss, but let me place it another one. This time I will like to manage the lot sizing manually. So let me, for example, put one lot sizing, and I place a buy, stop loss, let's say 100 points, and then place a buy here. That will be well, actually this is too tight, so I will manage it manually. 100 points might be too tight in this case on this 1 hour. So I would like to place the stop loss here 1.14536. So 1.54. Oops, hold on. Alright, sorry about that. So 1.14. I put this one manually here. 1.14. 5. See, it's already reflected. 1.143. Sorry, 536. 536. And then you have the stop loss at this level, and then you place a buy. Okay. And then basically you run it. You keep running it. So that way you can manage the risk per trace. So that's another feature that I like about. So as you keep backtesting like this, as you keep going like this, you have the result over time. And eventually, so let's say you put another buy here and place a buy again, and let's run it a little bit like this way. Let me place another buy here, and you keep running it like this. So yeah, basically you keep repeating that this way, and eventually you get the stats. You get the trade statistics, and this is where you can find the you can go to file. Hold on, sorry, it was hold on, what was it? It was view. Yeah, sorry, it was view, show panels, and statistics here. Yeah, views and show panels and statistics, and you find the trades that you took, the number of trades, and also all the results, like a max profit trade, max loss trade, and net profit, and gross profit, gross loss. You even have a profit factor and everything here, which is quite interesting too. So this way you can not only backtest, but also you can have a statistics, and you can even export the statistics to to your own local PC, so that you can save it on your PC locally too. So this statistics feature is very, very important, especially for me, because I value the profit factor more than the winning rate. So there's a profit factor here. So yeah, this is something that I like about. So you can, as you backtest, you can redo, of course, you can create a new project and redo the backtesting over and over again, so that you can find a decent strategy. So yeah, trade statistics actually a very, very good feature too. So these were actually the 7 features that I like about this Forex Tester 4 this time that I wanted to show you today. So finally, I would like to share the promo codes. So I happened to show it to you a little bit earlier quickly, but you can find it here. So there are 2 promo codes here. One is KBonus10. So this coupon code is actually for customers who have a tester a 10% discount on upgrades of data. So let's say you want to switch it from the standard to the VIP, then you have 10% discount on upgrades of data. And another coupon code here is the bonus FTK 15. Bonus FTK 5. Bonus FTK 5. And this one is for new buyers who do not have a license, 5% discount on the purchase of Forex Tester 4 or FT4 with data, plus a month of a free VIP subscription. So if you're already a buyer, if you're already a customer of the Forex Tester 4, if you have this one, KBonus10, then you get 10% discount for upgrades. If you're new to Forex Tester 4 and you put this code bonus FTK5, then we have a 5% discount on the purchase and also 1 month free VIP subscription. And if you'd like to know more about these features, then please contact the support at forextester.com for details. And I put these codes actually on the description below too, so you can find easily too. And where you can put this coupon code is at when you come to the Forex Tester 4 website like this, and you click on this buy. And right before you purchase, for example, you pick the VIP and buy Forex Tester plus data. You click on this one. And then, this is in Japanese, so let me switch it to the English version like this. So I put all these informations, and below here, there's a checkbox. I have a coupon code, and this is where you can put the coupon and submit order so that you can receive the discount. So yeah, these are the coupon codes that you can receive from my referral. Alright, so basically that's pretty much it for today's webinar. So once again, thanks to Forex Tester 4, I have been building my strategies. And also this time, thank you for the Forex Tester team to offer me this explanation of a Forex Tester 4, and also based on my experience, I was very honored to have this opportunity to share my information here. So I wish all the best on your trades, and I wish the great success on your trading journey, everybody. So thank you for joining, everyone, once again. So until I see you next time, please stay healthy, stay gold. Bye for now. Thank you. Mata ne.